what we do is slide this box over the hole. Now, somebody else should do this rather than me. Here is the queen.
Oh, yeah.
And you need to slide her over to the hole and grab her and pull her, pick her up.
You want to do it, honey?
Sure.
That little piece of plastic, that's the queen cage. You got it? When you come out?
I do. Hello. Are these ladies or gentlemen?
They're all ladies.
All ladies.
I don't think there are any drones in there. It's the wrong time of year. And go ahead and shake about half of them, 3/4 of them off in there, just because we need to be able to see the queen. Okay, why don't you bring it up and we'll just brush them off.
I do have a brush.
Okay, and what we need to do is look in there and make sure the queen is in there and moving around and looks alive. Yep, there you go.
Yep, I see her. She's right there.
And she's doing
and
good?
And she's moving.
Okay, and so, where is she?
Right at the very end.
I need her to get down toward the other end. There you go.
She doesn't want to.
Because I don't want to skewer her. And last year I had a queen die on me, and Sarah gave me a new one, no charge. So if you have problems like that,
let her know.
You have a friend in the bee business. Okay, and you all watched the video and know why I'm doing this?
You're hanging while
Yeah.
you're hanging it?
I'm gonna hang her.
I don't know why you're hanging it.
You want her in there to where they're going to keep her warm.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, so they can all be around her?
Yep.
Okay.
And so we'll hang her down between a frame. The other thing we need to remember to do that is embarrassing if you don't is to take the cap off.
Oh, so they can eat it.
So they can eat the candy.
Okay.
Okay, and just a nice simple nail. And what we'll do is put her.
So there's the candy stuff in there that all the bees are going to eat.
And it'll
and
take.
Then once they get to the queen, it'll come out. Oh, you already know.
Okay, who wants to shake them in?
Go for it, honey.
All right.
Wow.
A lot of bees.
4 pounds of bees.
When you find the queen, everybody will be looking at her.
Okay, yeah. Oh, right here, right there. Right then. Sorry, I can't point, but right here. See her? Right here. Right there.
Oh yeah, we got a queen. So let's put these guys back together. Excellent, good job.
Thanks. She's climbing. Good, that makes me happy.
60 on Saturday though. So probably kind of like this. First thing, put one.